Hello Paulinians! How's your quarantine days? I hope and I pray that everyone is well. By the way, my name is Laguna and you can call me Ma'am MJ for short. I'll make sure that you will learn from me even when you are in the comfort of your home. So, are you ready to listen? Now let's start. What can you say about these pictures? Well, we can call this School of Fish. How about this? This one is a bundle of books. How about this? Yes, this is a group of land transportation. The question is, what have you noticed? Very good. All of them are in group. It is connected to our first topic, which is Lesson 1-1 Basic Set Concepts and Notation. First, let's identify what is set. Set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects with a common characteristic and property. Remember, it is well-defined if it is possible to determine whether an object is a member of the set. So let's have some example. Determine whether the given set is well-defined or not. Again, remember it is well-defined if it is possible to determine whether an object is a member of the set. Letter A, the set of funniest movies watched by grade 7 student. So what do you think? Of course, it is not well defined. Why? Because a movie may be funny to one person but maybe not to another. So letter B, the set of positive integers. Of course, it is well defined. Why? Because you can tell if a given number is a positive integer or not. So now, how can we present a set? We have here two different ways to write these sets. The first one is rooster method or listing method, and the other one is the rule method or set builder method. So let's identify the difference between the two. First, rooster method or listing method. So this is our example. A standard box set of crayons with 8 colors in it. Let's use C as the name of the given set, which is the standard box set of crayons. Okay, remember, we can use any letter in the alphabet to name a set. So, set C with an elements of red, blue, green, violet, yellow, orange, brown, and black. Remember, each object in a set is called an element or a member of the set. Element in the set do not repeat. To indicate if the object is an element of a set or not, we can use these symbols. So for element and for not element. So for example, red is an element of set C, and maroon is not an element of set C. Next, rule method or set builder method. For our example, the set of positive integers. It can be written in the following manner. So set P, whose element 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. That 3 dot after the numbers called ellipsis. It indicates that the list continues indefinitely. Using rule method, it can also be written as set P, whose elements are the positive integers. Using set builder notation, same set can also be written as P is the set of all x such that x is a positive integer. We have different types of set. We have infinite set, not possible to list all the elements of the set. For example, set Z, whose elements are positive numbers because you cannot list all the positive integers. Second, finite set, possible to list. For example, set H, whose elements are months of the year, so we can list all the months within the year. Third, we have empty set or null. If a set has no element, we can use these symbols. Now, for example, set T, whose elements are days of the week that start with letter D. It is a null because there's no days in week that starts in letter D. So another one, cardinal number or cardinality. It is the total number of elements. It can be represented as n of A. For example, set A, whose elements are 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. The total number of elements is 5. So next is equivalent. Have the same cardinal number. And equal have exactly the same elements. So what's the difference between the two? Here's the example for equivalent and equal set. Set A, whose elements are A, B, C, D, E. Set B, with an elements of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set C, the elements are first 5 letters of the English alphabet. Set A and B are equivalent because they have the same cardinal numbers, which is 5. And set A and set C are equal because they have exactly the same elements. Remember class, set can be classified in many ways. Just be careful in using different notation to describe it. We are also using set in our daily lives. How? In ordering food, clothes, or other things. Or arranging your books, buying TV set, and so on. That's why it is important to understand what set is, especially in math. I hope that you learn and understand the lesson, and at the same time, you enjoy listening. Just tell me if you have questions during our class, and I will definitely answer it. So, thank you for your time, and see you.